Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Spanish hotels expanding in Jamaica. Now, three hotels in Jamaica plan to invest 320 billion Jamaican dollars in their hotels. As you know, Jamaica is leading the Caribbean in hotel rooms being built. And the government is putting in infrastructure such as airports, highways, everything needed to fuel this expansion in Jamaica. And the tourism minister is doing an excellent job in getting the hotel industry in Jamaica expanded. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this multi-billion dollar investment by these three hotels. Jamaica, a global renowned tourist destination, has recently taken a significant leap forward in its development with the announcement of over US 2 billion or Jamaican 320 billion in Spanish investments in the country's tourism sector. Spearheaded by Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett, these investments will not only elevate the island's tourism offerings, but also bring substantial socio-economic benefits, including the creation of approximately 19,000 jobs. The announced projects reflect a broad and transformative vision for Jamaica's tourism landscape. Three major Spanish hotel groups are spearheading these initiatives, focusing on expansions and new developments that integrate luxury and sustainability. The Grand Palladium in Hanover will undergo expansion, including housing units for tourism workers, a convention center, entertainment facilities, and golf courses. Additionally, the Pinero Group, owners of Bahia Principal, is set to launch a multi-million-dollar project adding two luxury hotels, cosmopolitan villas, and a residential community complete with private schools, a fisherman's village, a PGA golf course. Meanwhile, Secret Resorts will construct hundreds of new rooms in Richmond, St. Anne. These projects are not only merely about increasing accommodations, but enhancing Jamaica's tourism product by offering diverse amenities and experiences. By doing so, they will attract a broader spectrum of travelers from luxury seekers to eco-tourists and cultural enthusiasts. An encouraging aspect of these projects is their commitment to environmentally sustainable governance and social development. This approach underscores a shift in tourism development where growth is balanced with ecological preservation and community well-being. These investments are a testament to Jamaica's growing reputation as a prime destination for international tourism and investment. The successful negotiations with Spanish hoteliers reflect confidence in Jamaica's political stability, strategic vision, and vibrant tourist markets. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.